This paint is just actually just lifting here. See that? Over here, this one had gotten hit. This is actually the bottom, right? And so what I did is, the curved ones are easier to work with. The square ones are very hard to fix to get them to look decent. Look down the edge, right? And you'll see the problem areas and you can straighten them out a lot of times. Over here, you got extra holes. I filled them with a hot glue gun just to experiment with it, but you don't get a lot of grip with the screw. This plastic had come up, so you can put the hot glue and instantly get a nice bond on that. I'll probably go over this a little bit with some sandpaper before I paint it, just to give it some good traction. Luan, I think is what they call it. It's a very thin kind of plywood material, and that's bloated up a little. Some leaks, you'll get some swelling, and that will cause some distortion in the wall. Not a big deal. Overall, I would say this is, it's pretty good.